How to use avocado for hair growth. Avocado can be an excellent natural remedy to promote hair growth. Here's a simple DIY recipe for an avocado hair mask. Ingredients: 1 ripe avocado. 2 1 tablespoon of olive oil or coconut oil. 3 1 tablespoon of honey, optional for added moisture. 4 shower cap or plastic wrap. Instructions: 1 prepare the avocado. Cut a ripe avocado in half and remove the pit. Scoop out the flesh into a bowl. 2 mash the avocado. Use a fork to mash the avocado until it becomes a smooth and lump-free paste. 3 add additional ingredients. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil or coconut oil to the mashed avocado. If you'd like extra moisture, you can also add 1 tablespoon of honey to the mixture. 4 mix well. Blend the ingredients thoroughly until you have a consistent, creamy hair mask. 5 apply to hair. Dampen your hair with water, but it doesn't need to be soaking wet. Section your hair and apply the avocado mask from the roots to the tips, ensuring full coverage. 6 massage into scalp. Gently massage the mask into your scalp using circular motions. This promotes blood circulation, which can stimulate hair follicles. 7 secure with a shower cap. Once your hair is fully covered, put on a shower cap or wrap your head with plastic wrap. This helps to trap heat and enhances the mask's effectiveness. 8 leave on for 30–60 minutes. Allow the mask to sit on your hair for at least 30 minutes to an hour. The longer you leave it on, the more time your hair has to absorb the nutrients. 9 rinse thoroughly. After the recommended time, rinse your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water. You may need to shampoo and condition as usual to remove any residue. 10 repeat regularly. For optimal results, use this avocado hair mask once a week or as needed. This avocado hair mask provides a nourishing boost to your hair and scalp, promoting moisture, strength, and growth. Remember that individual results may vary, and it's essential to be consistent with the treatment for noticeable benefits over time. Additionally, if you have any allergies or sensitivities, perform a patch test before applying the mask to your entire scalp.